Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to be making a gorgeous kit from Sheila Rogers. It's cup number cup 398923_66. It's called the Scalloped Layered Gatefold Girls Essential Kit. It's roughly a DL size when finished, and you get 4 sheets and the instructions in the kit. I'd like to show you the 4 sheets and then we'll make the card. So in the kit there's 3 scalloped sheets to cut out. There's very faint score lines, so they're not going to intrude on the design. And if you score down the lines either side of the finished scallop, you'll be able to fold them all in. So this is the middle scallop section with the shoes, the makeup and the greeting on. Our second sheet is the middle scallop sheet, and again there's the very faint score line down the 2 edges of the scallops to be able to fold when you've cut it out, or before, depending on when you score your lines. The last sheet with the scallop design on, again there's the guideline for the scoring and with the shoes and the pattern on. The final sheet in the kit is a sheet of backing paper that you could use to back the card. You could use it to create a matching envelope, something like that, something to coordinate, a gift tag maybe. Beautiful design. And we're going to make the card using the scallop sheets. Now, as I say, there's 3 of them in the kit, so it's a very straightforward card, and it's a really great card if you want to keep some maybe ready for people's birthdays. I think this is a good one, and it would be a great one for a teenager as well. So we're going to take the largest scallop sheet, and where the score lines are, all we do is simply score along the line. Now I've already done that, but I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure that that line is nice and sharp. And I'm going to do exactly the same. You can see I've already scored the line. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side, just using my bone folder to make sure those creases are nice and sharp. And I'm going to do that for all of the pieces. So all 3 of the scallops. And you'll notice I'm folding colour side in, because that's the way it's going to sit when we make it up. So I've got the score lines. Obviously I've already got tape on mine ready to put together. So then the last one, there we go. And then we can now start to build the card. So we take the largest section first, and then the middle section. I've got flat tape on the back of the middle section, and it's just the middle part of it for the flat tape. And I'm going to add this over the top of the previous layer, and I'm going to match it up at the edge, at the bottom, and there we go, edge to edge, and the dip of the design together at the top. Then I'm going to take the third and the inner section with the message on, again flat tape on the back, and I'm going to add this again to the inside, following the bottom of the card and the scallop at the top. I'm going to press it down, fold it in to check it all folds nicely in, and it does, and our card is finished. There we go. Stands up nicely, and from the front you can see all those gorgeous scalloped layers. It's a beautiful card, it really is. Ideal for so many different people in your life. I just want to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 398923_66 by Sheila Rogers. And you can see any of Sheila's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and looking for Sheila, and you'll be able to find all the designs under her name. So I'll give you a tip. If you go to the website and you type in Sheila Rogers, that'll bring up Sheila's designs, or you can go to where it says about designers and you can go through the names and find Sheila that way. So there's a couple of ways that you can find the designer that you're looking for. So that's today's card, the Scalloped Layered Gatefold Girls Essential card by Sheila Rogers. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.